Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to navigate through all the commits. Okay, and how to check out specific commit. One of the easy method could be, let's just do git log. If you do git log, you will get this kind of all the history, and you can just take the commit hash and you can check out whatever commit you want, right? Let me tell you one more method. Basically, in your git repository there will be a multiple branches, there will be a multiple commits, correct? One of the method or one of the fast method of getting all the context is, first of all, if you are alone managing the project, it will be easy for you. You can just do git branch and it will do give me all the branches, right? What all the branches are there in this git repository, and I can just navigate through one by one branches and I can simply find the commit I want. Okay, and if it is well maintained project, it won't be a difficult task. One more method could be, I can just use the git tag and it will give me all the tags. I have only one tag that is named show. Okay, so you can just simply do the git branch, you will get all the branches, and you can simply go to particular branch by using the command git checkout and branch name, let's say main. Okay, now I am in main, I can simply do the git log all the commits I got for main. Okay, now there is one more method, and this method I use in day-to-day life when I have to navigate through multiple commits, that is using git GUI. Listen, if you are not yet familiar with git bash, I am telling you, please first get familiar with git bash. Reason being, it is very close to Linux, and it is the type of interface you will get on servers or remote PCs. Okay, I would really suggest first get familiar with git bash and try to navigate through using git bash only. Okay, this is the second step. When you already know git bash, you already have familiarity with git bash, and you can easily do all the tasks what I have shown you in previous videos easily using git bash, then only go for it. Okay, because in your real servers and in the remote computers there won't be a beautiful GUI like this. Okay, so I will use this git GUI. Here it is showing me all the unchanged unstacked changes. There will be a stack changes. Okay, here you have multiple things you can like create, checkout, branch, create branch, rename, delete, reset, all this stuff you can do from here also. Okay, like in checkout I can go to any of these branches, and what I want to do, I want to visualize. So let's try to visualize the main history. So when I click this, it will take me through the main history. So it will just show me all the comments that is associated with the main and with proper messaging, right? Uh, Now this is the good. I can just simply read through it, and whatever commit I want, I can just simply grab from here, right? I will get all the data here regarding that commit, like who is the author, who is the committer, who is the child. This is the and who is the parent. Okay, so parent means the commit before it. Try to, like, let's say C4 06. If I go to previous commit, so you find the similar number, correct? That is added line in F2, commit message, added a line in F2. And what is the message of this commit? This commit message is added a line in F3. So simply I can, like, this is the hash value, I can copy this, I can simply check out this. Okay, but there is one more beautiful thing here. There is one more beautiful thing here. That is, I can go to repository and I can visualize the all the branches. So it will provide me the beautiful interface for all the branches here, as you can see. And now I can navigate through any comment and it will provide me the beautiful history of all the branches, correct? And I can just simply look into it and navigate through any commit, right? I can just simply copy any of the commit message and I can just simply check it out. You can check it out using Git GUI also, but don't make it a habit. Don't make it a habit. You can also copy from here. This is the ID. Okay, this is the ID. Now I can simply check it out using git checkout command. This I shown you before, therefore I am not showing you now. Let me show you here. So here I can, like, do all the commit things what I used to do from the uh, command line. I can, like, unstash from the commit, stash from the commit, stash to commit. I can rescan it and show. Similar go to the merge and similar go for the branches. Okay. So if I want to amend the last comment, I will just simply press this. And I can stage it, I can push it, I can commit it. Let me commit it. Created a commit, added F5. Okay. So I hope you now have the familiarity with Git GUI and how to navigate through commits and how to check out also. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.